Fragrance familiar, welcome back to another episode of Fragrance Fiends, the man Frank C. Today I'm doing another unboxing, and I think I know what this is. I have a bunch of stuff coming in, but I think I pretty much know what this is. So let's just jump into it. Open up, see what we have here. Should be 2 fragrances in here, and I'll get into them once we confirm that's indeed what's in here. So let's just get in here real quick. Let's see what we have. All right, yep. Exactly what I thought it was going to be. Okay. So this is from one of my favorite places to go for fragrances. This is from Fragrance Net. And the 2 scents that we're going to be unboxing here real quick. It's going to be, this is Aura for Men, from the House of Giacomo. Now this is more of a filler thing than anything. This is going for like $7, something like that on Fragrance Net. So this was just kind of ordered, and I've been meaning to kind of order this as a filler. That's why I did it. So you can get to see. The thing about Fragrance Net is if your order's over $59, you get free shipping. So I'm all about the free shipping. So I picked this up. This is like $7 on the nose, and it's from 2000. Actually, I'm a little excited to try this out. I'm looking at the notes. It says Factory Family, Woody Spicy, the Spirit, Juniper, Sativa, Green, Lemon, Ginger, the Heart, Green Tea, Nutmeg, Cinnamon, Tonka Bean, Tobacco Leaves, the Soul, Sandalwood, Cedarwood, Musk Patchouli, Amber, and Cistus. So this might be pretty good. This is from the year 2000 with House of Giacomo. I've heard there's been some there's been some comparisons to Gucci Poudon De, which I have, which now discontinued. So I always like to have an alternative instead of wearing my good juice, so we'll check that out here in a second. But the main thing that I really made this order for is for this. This is from Guerlain. This is L'homme Idéal Intense. This is one of the, I think this is the L'homme Idéal line. And this particular thing, this is a gift set. It comes with, it comes with like it's a travel spreads 0.10 ounce, 3.3, and the 2.5 shower gel. Putting you on some good stuff. This is $52 with the 37% off coupon right now. So, and L'homme Intense is a rare run. Well, it's been rare. I think I've looked around, and now it seems like it's starting to loosen up a little bit. So I know the newest one, the Extreme. Actually, the EDP is harder to find now than the Extreme. You can find the Extreme kind of hit and miss. It's becoming more available. But that's what Guerlain does. Guerlain comes out with something, and then it seems like the supply run is low, and then they come out with more stuff, like a higher supply of it, and then depending on what the release is, depends on, dictates its availability. So this one, right now on Fragrance Net, check it out. All right, so let's see. I think that's about it. Fragrance Net, they'll give you like some nail clippers or something. I got a bunch of nail clippers in the past from them, but this time it looks like it's just the extras. They got a Hello Fresh thing. Never done a subscription box for food. Might check it out if it's right. These are useless. Just get the 37% off code. Okay. All right, hair care stuff. Usually good for some nail clippers or a little off-brand type sample, but not this time. So, all right. So let's just get into the scents real quick. I want to check out this Giacomo. See what this is about. Let's see. Check this out. So Giacomo Aura, year 2000. So it might be in that same realm of your Gucci Poudon De, your that early 2000s, late 90s type deal. Gucci Rush. So let's see. There's not really much being talked about this. Not a lot of information out there on it, but he's running like a 3.9 right now for Grantica. Okay. Wow. All right, so it's like a plastic glass like material around a green plastic bottle. Okay, Yakimo Aura. All right, so let's give it a shot. Let's see what it's about. I'm not wearing anything today, actually. I don't have a sun of the day picked out yet, so let's see. Okay. Okay. All right. It's pretty good. Not bad. I don't really see. Yeah, there's green tea in this. And this might be where they're drawing the Gucci put on the comparisons. Okay. And so far so good. I mean, it's in that realm. I can see it being in that realm. It's kind of green, a little spicy. It's nice. And $7. I mean, you can't beat it. $7. I mean, if you need to get that $60 shipping, you need to fill the gap. I think this is good for that. So that's pretty good. We'll see what happens with this. All right. So now for the let's see. The L'homme Ideal, the EDP, L'homme Ideal Intense. Okay. Very nice. The black bottle. I've heard they've changed the bottle now. Now it's a glass bottle, black around it, so it's good to have the original black bottle. Let's check her out. Comes with a nice travel spray. It's nice. I didn't used to like gift sets, but I'm starting to get more and more gift sets now. And you get some good deals on them. So, all right, there's batch code all down the bottom. Boom, boom. Nice black cap. It pretty much follows the line of all the L'homme Ideal releases. Let's give her a go. Let's see. Good distribution. Coming up already. Okay. This is nice. It's a bit early, but yeah. Yeah, woo. Yeah, it's a little spicy up top. Yep. They said it's supposed to be chili pepper. Chili pepper is one of the top notes in this. So I could definitely smell the DNA of the original L'homme Ideal in here. The original EDT, which I have. So I have the EDT. Of course, I have the L'homme Ideal Cologne, EDT, and now this. So I think I'm good on the line. I know there's probably the three of those. There's Cool, there's Sport, there's the EDP, then the Extreme. So I might be missing one. But there's at least 4 other flankers of this L'homme Ideal line. So I got 3 of them now, so I think I'm good on that. Okay. All right, that's good. I think I'm gonna do some more of the day. Nice. Yeah, nice, definitely for the winter so far. So, Fragrance Amelia, thank you so much for tuning in. Just want to give you a quick peek into that. It's a quick unboxing. So until next time, take care.